Welcome back to Built Bazaar, where we uncover the strange engineering behind everyday objects. Imagine a construction site without a hard hat. It's like a soldier heading to the front lines without a helmet. Completely unthinkable. But before this simple plastic shell became the gold standard for safety, workers relied on nothing more than luck and flat caps to survive falling debris. Today we're peeling back the layers of this everyday shield to see the incredible engineering hidden inside. The hard hat's origin story is actually a tale of war. After returning from the trenches of World War I, a man named Edward Bullard realized that the steel helmets used by soldiers could save lives in the mines back home. In 1919, he created the hard-boiled hat. It wasn't made of plastic back then, it was made of canvas, glue and steam. It was so effective that during the construction of the Golden Gate Bridge in the 1930s, the chief engineer made them mandatory, marking the birth of the modern safety zone. Today we've traded canvas for high-tech polymers, but the goal remains the same: bringing every worker home in one piece. Here is the industrial journey of how these lifesavers are made today in 5 simple steps. Step 1. The chemical transformation. It all starts with millions of tiny translucent beads of ABS plastic, the same ultra-tough material used for industrial parts and heavy-duty toys. These beads are mixed with concentrated pigments, creating those iconic safety yellows and whites. A vacuum system sucks this mixture into a massive heater, melting it down into a thick, glowing liquid that is ready to be forged into a shield. Step 2. The precision injection. This molten plastic is blasted into a heavy steel mold under immense pressure. The injection begins at the very top of the helmet, ensuring the crown is the thickest and strongest part of the entire shell. Within seconds, the mold pulls apart and a steaming hot one-piece hard hat is born. These shells are then hand-inspected. Workers run their fingers along every curve, checking for sharp edges or microscopic flaws that could compromise the hat's integrity. Step 3. Weaving the internal armor. While the shell is tough, it's the internal suspension that saves your neck. In another part of the factory, high-precision machines churn out nylon straps and plastic keys. These components are vibrating and sorted by automated plates before being snapped together by hand. These straps are then ultrasonically welded, using sound waves instead of glue to create a harness that can withstand extreme tension without ever snapping. Step 4. The shock-absorbing gap. The most critical step is the assembly. Workers manually clip the suspension system into the shell, creating a permanent air gap between your skull and the plastic. This is the hard hat's secret weapon. When an object strikes the hat, the shell deforms and the straps stretch, acting like a car's suspension to soak up the energy before it ever reaches your spine. Without this gap, the shell would simply pass the impact directly to your head. Step 5. The human hammer test. Before these hats earn their safety stamp, they face a brutal final exam. While machines perform official drop tests, the factory also conducts real-world trials. A worker takes a heavy hammer and delivers a massive direct blow to the helmet to see how it holds up under a sudden manual impact. Only after surviving these heavy hits and proving they can withstand 500 kilograms of force are the hats boxed up and labeled "Made in Korea." From the canvas and glue of the 1920s to the high-tech polymers of today, the hard hat remains the ultimate symbol of industrial survival. It's a century of war-tested evolution sitting right on a worker's head. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the engineering that keeps our world standing, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Built Bazaar. We have plenty more stories about the incredible processes behind the things we build. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.